Let's see a series of impressive moments of the wood crusher at work. Did you know that a wood crusher is a powerful and versatile tool? Tree service contractors, arborists, and municipalities are cleaning in a whole new way thanks to the Wallenstein CR commercial grade chipper. Thanks to this machine, the job is quickly completed excellently. It's impressive to see the wood crusher in action, turning large logs into small pieces in just a snap. Watching the wood crushers work, I couldn't help but exclaim that they are truly a marvel of technology. Not only did he receive his satisfaction, the Vermeer chipper was also very popular for street cleaning jobs, helping the city have a clean and beautiful space. The 14,000-pound dump trailer is equipped with the Brush Bandit Model 90, making it easy to move and highly efficient at crushing wood. With its strength and versatility, it is an important tool in efficient wood processing. ETH 1400 820 offers extremely impressive performance because it can crush up to 140 m3 of wood per hour. He was very pleased to rent a Vermeer BC700XL chipper to clean up some trees in his garden. With impressive performance and working ability, it quickly helps his garden become neater and cleaner. That company expanded its revenue stream by using the WC2500XL whole tree chipper. With an adjustable bite-sized chip drum to produce chips for pellets and biofuel chips, this machine provides a powerful and efficient solution for producing wood chips in a compact footprint. As one of the first-class wood crushers, the Pezolato P. The power and performance of this wood crusher are truly amazing, turning huge logs into small pieces quickly and easily. The chipper energy range, designed for the forestry industry, but recently also widely used by agricultural contractors, aims to provide quality wood chips for the energy industry. Transported to the nearest biomass power plants to produce thermal and electrical energy, utilizing wood resources in a sustainable and efficient way. Are you wondering how the Bandit Beast 4680 crusher eats oversized logs? Here's your answer. During the Forest Road expansion project, they decided to use a Topmatic CH200 wood chipper. With the ability to produce 25 m3 of wood per hour, this machine helps them complete the job efficiently and quickly. During winter, snowstorms can pose a risk to trees, causing them to fall. Tree cutting and branch pruning have become extremely important to ensure the safety of the living environment and property. The Bear M3 chipper plays an important role in cleanup, helping them make the most of this wood resource. In the Po Valley, chopping of poplar trees is done efficiently using a self-propelled Pezolato chopper. After being chopped, the wood is therefore it easily processed 36 large birch tree tops, quickly completing this forest clearing project. I really like this Chipper Energy 30 to 60 chipper because the chip drum is flexible and easy to change, allowing it to accept and process a variety of wood sizes effectively. With their powerful wood processing capabilities, they are an indispensable part of the woodworking industry, but also require care and skill to use safely. Join us to discover it through the following video. On one large project, they used a large dual shaft chipper, capable of cutting trees up to 22 inches in diameter. The integration of the hydraulic arm has eliminated the need to use a wood chipper manually, saving time and costs in the wood processing process. Incredibly, the Morbark 40 wood crusher takes 22 minutes to process 32 tons.